Many people dream of making money from YouTube every month without ever having to show their face. That dream is made possible by cash cow channels. In this video, we'll look at a variety of simple cash cow channel ideas that can generate revenue using the power of video. Cash cow channels on YouTube are one way to make passive income online. These channels have the potential to create large sums of money, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's take a look at what cash cow channels are and some YouTube cash cow channel ideas. Today, we'll discuss how you can start a cash cow YouTube channel. Before you begin watching this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. What are YouTube cash cow channels? Cash cow YouTube channels aren't new, but they've grown in popularity in recent years. The development of online personalities selling cash cow channel courses has aided in the popularity of this channel type. On YouTube, cash cow channels are those that exist just to make money. These channels don't have a host, and the majority of the programming is generally outsourced. Owners of cash cow channels frequently pay employees to write scripts, collect footage, record voiceovers, and edit videos. The finished film is then uploaded to their cash cow channel by them or an assistant. Popular themes are used to create videos that get a lot of views and generate a lot of ad income. Ad income on YouTube is mostly used to monetize cash cow channels. They can also employ affiliate marketing to boost their earnings to ridiculous levels. Cash cow channels are all about making money on YouTube without having to be a public figure. They can be successful, but finding success with your ideas and content team takes a lot of effort. How much money can these channels bring in? These channels make money based on their location, the topics they cover, and who their target audience is. Simply because it is based in the United States, a channel can make far more than a channel in another third world country. As a result, earning per view is determined by who your target audience is. If the majority of your viewers are from the United States, you will earn more than if they are from the Middle East. Make YouTube videos of high quality. The next stage for any YouTube channel is to develop content that will appeal to your target audience. It's ideal, in my opinion, to focus on a specific niche and get into stuff that they'll appreciate. For example, I enjoy discussing all things linked to online business on my YouTube channel. As a result, YouTube Premium members and pretty much anyone interested in working from home and developing something of their own are drawn to this. This is the tricky aspect about any YouTube channel, even for the highest paid YouTubers, because no one will watch your videos when you first start. However, I assure you that this will not continue indefinitely. The algorithm will ultimately start recommending your videos to people, and they will start subscribing to you if you keep providing stuff that your audience like. Naturally, greater ad money comes with more subscribers. Ideas for a cash cow channel. Let's look at some cash cow YouTube channel ideas now that you know what they are. These YouTube channel ideas could be the key to your content's future success. I've included an example of a cash cow channel on YouTube for each of the cash cow channel ideas. You may learn about the many types of videos you can make for your channel by looking at these samples. Top 10 videos. The top 10 YouTube channels are the most well-known examples of cash cow channels. The majority of these channels are only focused on generating revenue through viewership, and they are extremely successful. Top 10 or top 5 videos are entertaining and have the potential to earn millions of views. It's simple to compile a top 10 list, compose a script, and fill in the gaps using clips and a voiceover. You may make top 10 lists on any subject. There are money-making networks that broadcast everything from strange facts to the world's biggest items to true stories. Life hacks. Life hacks are always a popular video topic, and these channels can receive views for years after the videos are published. Making a money-making channel out of life hack videos and tips could be the key to your success. Life hack videos are an excellent niche because they do not require a personality. The tips and hacks are the focus of the videos. Gossip about celebrities. Whatever your opinion on celebrities is, they are always a trendy topic for content. A celebrity news or gossip channel would be a fantastic cash cow. Copyright concerns must be avoided when using this cash cow route. You must ensure that you and your team are developing material that can withstand any legal challenges that may arise. Luxury. creating movies on high-end things, designers, and spending is a great way to make money on your YouTube channel. Because the things are high-end and costly, the audience is more likely to see more expensive advertisements. This brings a lot of money to the proprietors of fancy cash-munching channels. On YouTube, talking about wealthy people and their lifestyles is extremely popular. These videos are simple to put together and repeat the same themes over and over. Videos about what billionaires and the ultra-wealthy buy with their money are immensely popular. Investing in personal finance. You may believe that anything about money needs to be anchored by a YouTube personality, yet the personal finance and investing niche has plenty of cash cow channels. These videos can easily be made in a clip or whiteboard format, and people will watch them. You may establish a channel in this category with remarkable success if you have good material or tips. The content does not have to be highly detailed, and the ad prices for this type of content are frequently higher than for other niches. Recipes and cooking advice. People are always looking for new recipes and kitchen equipment. Thus, food advice and kitchen hacks can be a wonderful cash cow channel possibility. This is an excellent channel specialty idea to pair with another, such as Top 10, where you may list the top 10 kitchen devices for every purpose. On top of ad money, these videos can produce a lot of affiliate commissions. Facts about animals. Cute animal videos have long been popular on YouTube. In fact, in the early days of YouTube, people mostly used it to watch cat videos. It's no surprise, then, that animal films continue to be a popular way to garner views and earn money on YouTube. You can make a money-making channel focusing on animals by posting intriguing animal facts over stock footage of the animals. It's a fantastic approach to compile top 10 lists and compilations that pet lovers will enjoy. Compilations. Compilations are perfect for people who don't want to display their faces or use their voices in their YouTube videos. It's fantastic because you'll be compiling videos on various topics using other people's stuff. These channels can be quite popular and receive a lot of views, but be wary of the legal ramifications of exploiting someone else's content. With this style, there are several copyright considerations to be aware of. Now, let's talk about how to monetize your material so you can earn money. Eligibility for monetization. You can probably judge the benefit of buying a monetized YouTube channel instead now that you're aware of YouTube's monetization eligibility rules. Because the monetization status is active once you launch your YouTube channel, you can save time and work this way. People began abusing the system when YouTube allowed any channel to join its partnership program shortly after it launched. To ensure that the channels were valid, the platform had to make changes. As a result, the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements were born. At the time of writing, the YouTube Partner Program's basic eligibility requirements are simple. Before you may apply to monetize your films, you must have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. You must also have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Before applying to join YouTube's Partner Program, you must be at least 18 years old. Configure the new monetization methods that have become available. There are a variety of ways to start making money on your YouTube channel once you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Ad revenue. To start earning money from advertising on YouTube, you must first turn them on. As a result, when people watch your movies, the adverts will appear, and you will be compensated. Pay attention to your CPM data once more. Knowing how much you may make with more views is critical. YouTube Red Premium Revenue. You'll collect a small share of a YouTube Premium account's subscription charge every time they watch your videos. This isn't a huge sum of money, but it also doesn't necessitate any further effort on your part. Start your merchandise shelf. Depending on the number of subscribers you have, say over 10,000, you could be able to launch a merchandise shelf on your channel. This, like an e-commerce site, allows you to sell products directly on your channel below your videos. This is ideal if you have a catchphrase or a saying that resonates with your audience, as top YouTube influencers do. PewDiePie and his infamous bro fist, for example. That's a wrap for our today's video. Hope you have gained some knowledge from the video. If you are having some suggestions for us, do let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.